In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printers for small business on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Creality Ender-3 S1 Pro 3D Printer. The Ender-3 S1 Pro by Creality is a high-temperature 3D printer with advanced features and open-source firmware. It boasts a maximum printing temperature of 300 degrees Celsius and supports speeds of up to 160 mm/s, with features like CR Touch automatic leveling and a 4.3 touchscreen interface. The printer comes with a Sprite full-metal dual-gear extruder, removable PEI spring steel sheet, LED light, and a 32-bit silent motherboard. It offers a user-friendly experience with quick assembly, filament sensor, resume printing function, and support for various filament types. The machine specifications include a build volume of 220 x 220 x 270 mm, nozzle diameter of 0.4 mm, and compatibility with slicing software like Creality Slicer, Cura, Repetier Host, and Simplify 3D. With support for multiple languages and a range of certifications, the Ender-3 S1 Pro is a versatile and efficient 3D printing solution. Number 2. Creality Ender-3 Official 3D Printer. The Creality Ender-3 3D printer is a high-precision DIY printer known for its open-source design, making it ideal for beginners and educational purposes. It comes partially assembled, offering a great project for schools and students. The printer features industrial-grade circuitry, resume printing capabilities, and thermal runaway protection for added safety. With patented V-slot and precision pulley technology, the printer operates smoothly and efficiently. The use of MK8 extrusion mechanism reduces the risk of clogs and allows for compatibility with various filaments. The CNC machined Y-rail mounting groove ensures precise positioning and high printing quality. The printer also includes features like a hand twist nut for easy platform leveling and fast heating capabilities. While not offering global free shipping, the printer is available through Creality's official store with fast shipping from multiple overseas warehouses. Additionally, the FAQ section addresses common queries about shipping, tracking, taxes, and delivery times. The printer finds applications in industrial, art, mechanical, architectural, medical, personalized design, and educational settings. The packaging is designed for safe transit, and feedback is encouraged for customer satisfaction. Number 3. ZONESTAR Extruder 4 and 13D Printer. The 3D printer being described offers a range of features and capabilities to enhance the printing experience. It supports mixing colors and multicolor printing, with a built-in automatic color mixing feature to easily convert single-color 3D models into multicolor prints. Other features include automatic resume printing after power failure, automatic shutdown post-printing, bed auto-leveling, and a 70% pre-assembled structure for quick installation. The printer also boasts a sturdy aluminum profile frame, dual Z-axis drive, and dual Z end stops for stability. It runs on open-source firmware with a multi-language operating menu. Additionally, there are various upgradable features available, such as a filament runout sensor, Wi-Fi module for remote control, non-mixing color hot end for better color resolution, direct drive extruder for flexible filament support, high-speed and high-temperature hot end for diverse filament compatibility, and a laser engraving kit for engraving on different materials. Customers are advised about potential delivery delays, remote area fees, and import taxes. The product undergoes thorough checks before shipping, and customers are encouraged to inspect packages upon arrival. Number 4. Geeetech A20M FDM 3D Printer. The Geeetech Mazar S 3D printer offers innovative features such as precise auto-leveling with dual leveling system, stable magnetic platform, large build volume, dual Z-axis design, super silent driver, and resume printing function. It stands out with its advanced technology, user-friendly design, and reliable performance. Geeetech, A reputable company with a decade of experience in 3D printing has developed the MIZAR S based on real user feedback to address common pain points in 3D printing. The printer boasts high printing accuracy, a fixed hotbed, and a sleek appearance, making it a top choice for 3D printing enthusiasts. With a range of technical specifications and features like power-off protection, high-performance motherboard, filament detection sensor, and double-gear extruder, the Geeetech MIZAR S ensures a smooth and efficient printing experience. Number 5. JGMAKER 3D Printer. The JGMAKER 3D printer offers a large printing size of up to 220 x 220 x 250 mm, suitable for various DIY projects. It features industrial-grade silicone wire, an aviation-grade aluminum profile, and a sturdy metal base for safety and longevity. With filament runout detection and power failure detection, the printer can pause and resume prints, ensuring successful outcomes. The SD card hot plug-in feature allows for seamless printing, even if the SD card is removed during the process. The machine comes with a removable build platform, easy assembly, and a dual Y-axis rod for stability and accuracy. The package includes essential accessories like PLA filament, a warranty card, USB cable, South Dakota card, and more. The printer supports various filament types, has a maximum printing speed of 120 mm/s, and is compatible with slicing software like Cura and Simplify 3D. It operates on Windows systems and offers precise printing with a range of 0.05, 0.3 mm. Overall, the JGMAKER printer provides a reliable and user-friendly 3D printing experience.